A very good morning to the honorable judges. My name is Amani, Zuhrah. Today I'm going to tell a story entitled Clever Monkey. Once, long ago in the jungle, the animals were gathered around the watching hole. He was sad because a new lion had come to live with him. The lion was a terrible bully. He tied the elephant trunk in a knot and put fruits on Rhino's horn. The lion then connected that with the giraffe spots and made funny pictures. The animals gathered to see how they could get rid of the lion. Meanwhile, above on the tree, a monkey was listening. He started laughing. Why are you laughing? Asked the elephant. I'm laughing because you all are scared of the lion. I'm not afraid of him. He has been working for me for years, said the monkey. The animals disbelieved the monkey. Suddenly, the lion walked up to the animals and roared. Why are you laughing? The animals told the lion what the monkey had said. Where's that monkey? Asked the lion. The animals pointed to the tree. But the monkey was gone. The lion stormed off to find that monkey. Far away, the monkey was sitting in the middle of the path. When the lion saw him, he ran up to him and growled. The animals told me that you are not afraid of me, and I work for you, said the lion. That's not true, friend. I told them that I'm afraid of you, and I wish that I could work for you, said the monkey. Come on, lion, let's go to see the silly animals and tell them the truth, said the monkey. Let's go. Together, they started walking towards the water. They had only gone a few steps when the monkey grabbed his leg and cried. What's wrong with you? Asked the lion. I stepped on a sharp rock. I'm afraid that I can't, said the monkey. Don't you dare! You have to tell all the animals, said the lion. Well, I could make it if you would let me ride on your back, said the monkey. The lion agreed. After a few steps, the monkey cried out again. What's wrong? Asked the lion. I'm afraid of falling down. It will help if I had something to hold, cried the monkey. The lion tied some vines around his neck. This is much better. Let's go, said the monkey. Once again, when they had only gone a few more steps, the monkey cried out. What is it now? Asked the lion. There are so many flies around here. I need something to sweat them away, said the monkey. The lion got a large leafy branch and gave it to the monkey. Thank you, lion, said the monkey. Let's go. As they got close to the water hole, the monkey sat on the lion's back, grabbed the vine, swatted the lion with the leafy, and yelled, Yee-haw! Yee-haw! The lion was surprised that he ran very fast. He ran right past the water hole where all the animals started to laugh. They saw the monkey on the lion's back. He felt humiliated. Finally, the ashamed lion and gentlemen, from this story we can learn that cleverness triumphs over strength. I hope you enjoyed the story.